Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some hot updates from the automotive world that are sure to excite car enthusiasts and buyers alike. From electric vehicle tax credits to Lamborghini's bold moves, here's everything you need to know. First up, a rush for electric vehicles. With the $7,500 federal tax credit possibly in question, American buyers are racing to purchase EVs before it's too late. But hold on. Experts caution that it's still important to assess if an EV fits your lifestyle before you make a big decision. So, are you in the EV fast lane or sticking with gas for now? Lamborghini lovers, take note. The luxury brand has pushed back its first all-electric car until 2029. Why? Lamborghini believes the luxury EV market isn't quite ready yet. But don't worry, they'll keep rolling out hybrid models to keep their fans happy. Next, Chinese automaker NIO is making waves with its affordable EV brand, Onvo. Its L60 coupe SUV, launching in the UK, boasts a 600-mile range and lightning-fast charging, perfect to rival Tesla's Model Y. Could this competition eventually heat up in the US? Stay tuned. If you're thinking of selling your car, here's a heads up. In 2024, some models saw steep drops in resale value, like the Jeep Compass Hybrid, which depreciated by a whopping 27.2%. Plan wisely, folks. Finally, Huawei is making big moves despite US sanctions. They're diving into the electric vehicle game, aiming to lead with their tech innovation. Could this shake up the global EV market, including here in the US? Only time will tell. That's it for today's top automotive stories. Which one caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates from the road ahead. See you next time.